These hours going by so quickly. We've got our next guest now. Alexandria Iwanenko is joining us. She's a local attorney with the Erie County Bar Association, and tomorrow is Community Law Day.
Yes.
Tell us all about it.
Sure. So Community Law Day is sponsored by the Erie County Bar Association Diversity and Inclusion Section. This is our third annual Community Law Day, and we're very excited to have attorneys there, community partners there, and it's open to the community to come and learn more about services that are offered and to talk to local attorneys as well.
Like, who should come to this, and what kind of questions or what kind of information would they be looking for?
Anyone can come. Really, the Bar Association wants to establish a great relationship with community members. Attorneys sometimes have a bad reputation, and we want to be approachable, and we want the community to trust us and come to us with their problems. So we have this day every year so that we are approachable and people are comfortable to come and ask their questions, and we can better connect them to services in the community.
I bet there are questions about business law, if you've got small business owners, or perhaps property law, if you've got problems with your neighbors, all that type of thing. Custody, do you have all the experts there for all those types of scenarios?
So we have 6 legal topics tomorrow where we will have attorneys there that will have tables. You can come up and ask questions. We also will have attorneys giving some presentations. We have family law, immigration law, estates and trusts. Sometimes people are thinking about a will and a power of attorney. Guardianships, criminal law as well. We get a lot of questions about sometimes getting a public defender. What does that process look like? And so there will be attorneys there to answer questions about how the processes work. And there will also be community organizations there. We have about 15 community partners that deliver social services throughout the community, and you can learn all about the services that they offer as well.
Yeah, so much information there, all packed into one event. What is kind of a recurring theme, or what are most people kind of seeking advice or information on?
A lot of people have family law related issues, custody and dispute issues that they're trying to navigate what that process looks like. We also will have landlord-tenant attorneys there who could talk about maybe if you get an eviction notice, what does that process look like? How do you navigate going to court to stay in the property, or if you have back rent you have to pay? And the attorneys will be there to just lay out the process. We aren't answering case-specific questions.
Correct.
And we're not entering into an attorney-client relationship, but absolutely can help navigate if you need help finding an attorney or figuring out where to get an application or how to get a complaint. Just those steps that sometimes people don't even know where to start.
To help direct you. I love that. Again, this is happening tomorrow. Let's take a look at the contact information there. It's tomorrow at ECAT, which is at 650 East Avenue in Erie. You can go to the Bar Association's website there, eriebar.com, but this is tomorrow from 9 a.m. to noon. So before you head out on all those Halloween parties and trick-or-treat events, you can go check that out and get some great information. Thanks, Alexander. It's nice to have you today.
Yes, thanks for having me.